Get your Mac's mouse click working again fast. Restart Mac OS. When you restart your Mac, it refreshes all system processes and clears temporary files. It can fix glitches or conflicts that might be causing your mouse to malfunction. Before moving to the next step, we would like to recommend Combo Cleaner. To keep your device running smoothly, avoid malware infections, and free up disk space, we recommend using Combo Cleaner. Available for Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS devices. Download and install it today at combocleaner.com. Grab our limited deal for Windows and Mac users. Use the coupon code PCRISK30 for 30% off at the checkout. Update your Mac. Go to the Apple menu and click System Settings. Choose General and select the Software Update option. If an update is available, click Update Now. Try using another mouse. Look for a different mouse that you can use. It could be one from another computer or a spare you have. Plug in the new mouse to your Mac. Use the new mouse to see if it works properly. Move it around and click to check if everything functions as it should. If the new mouse works fine, there might be a problem with the original mouse or how it connects to your Mac. Examine it for any visible damage or connect it to another device to see if it works. Clean your mouse. If your mouse is rechargeable, make sure it's fully charged. If your mouse uses disposable batteries, replace them with fresh ones. Turn off the mouse or disconnect it from your computer. Wipe the exterior. Use a soft cloth slightly dampened with water or a gentle cleaner. Avoid getting any liquid inside the mouse. Use a cotton swab to clean the sensor on the bottom of the mouse carefully. Check for dust or dirt around the buttons. You can blow it away with compressed air. Once everything is clean and dry, turn the mouse back on or reconnect it to your computer. Test the mouse to see if it's working correctly. Check for Bluetooth interference. First, check to see if you have more than one Bluetooth mouse connected to your Mac. Go to System Settings and select Bluetooth. Look closely at both mice. Ensure that nothing is pressing down on the buttons of either mouse. Sometimes, an object or surface might accidentally press a button on one mouse. Try clicking with each mouse one at a time. Make sure the other mouse is not being touched or used when you test. This helps identify if the interference is coming from the other mouse. If the other mouse is causing interference, disconnect it from your Mac. You can do this by going to your Bluetooth settings, selecting the mouse, and choosing the option to disconnect. Check if other Bluetooth devices don't interfere by disconnecting them and testing your mouse. Change the connection port. Gently unplug your mouse from the current port. Look for another available port on your computer. Insert the mouse's connector into the new port. Move the mouse around and check if it's working correctly. Turn off, click to reveal desktop. Click the Apple logo and open System Settings. Navigate to Desktop and Dock. Find the section labeled Click Wallpaper to reveal desktop. From the menu, select Only in Stage Manager. Configure mouse settings. Go to Mouse Settings in your System Settings and configure settings to your preferences. If you use a different mouse, open the software app that comes with your mouse. Look at how the buttons on your mouse are set up. Make sure they are doing what you want them to do. Unpair and repair a Bluetooth mouse. Click the Apple menu and select System Settings. Go to Bluetooth. Click the information icon next to your mouse's name. In the pop-up menu, choose Forget this device and confirm the action. Follow the pairing instructions that came with your mouse. Once paired, your mouse should reconnect to your Mac automatically. Delete mouse preferences files. In the Finder menu at the top, click Go and then select Go to Folder. Enter ~/library/preferences/. Look for files with mouse in their name. You can use the search bar to help you find them quickly. Drag those files to the trash, but don't empty the trash yet. If you're using a mouse from another manufacturer, Look for files with a similar name but with the manufacturer's name instead of Apple. Restart the Mac to apply the changes. After restart, go to System Settings. Select Mouse and set up your mouse again. After confirming everything works, empty the trash to delete the files permanently. To keep your Mac clutter and virus-free, download the Combo Cleaner. It will check your computer from malicious software infections and advertising-supported software. The disk cleaner will scan Mac for application cache, logs, browser data, and other useless files that can be safely removed to regain valuable disk space. It will also show you how much space what files take up in storage. With Combo Cleaner you can look through all big files with ease and delete the ones you don't need. You can also scan for duplicate files. Sometimes you might not know that you have a few copies of the same file. With Privacy Scanner, eliminate data stored when browsing the internet, including cookies, history, cache, and other files that can reveal your private information. The uninstaller feature allows you to find hidden components of applications and uninstall them from your Mac completely with just a couple of clicks. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.